Hey there, have you ever wondered if solar could light up your home very soon? Then you are in the right place because solar energy is taking over the world by storm, and I'm breaking down 5 awesome reasons why it is the future in 2025. This is going to be fun, it's going to be simple, and packed with cool facts to get you excited about solar power. Now, if this gets you bump up, smash that subscription button and hit the bell for more awesome tech tips and energy tricks on Victoria's Energy Tech World. Let's dive into why solar is the way to go. Welcome back. One of the reasons why solar is the way to go now is because solar is super cheap now. Super cheap. Solar panels used to be prohibitively expensive, but not anymore. Do you know why? Because in 2025, prices have crashed down over 80% since 2010. Now, that means you can set up solar at home without emptying your wallet. Imagine slashing your electricity bill every month, putting hundreds back into your pocket for fun stuff like vacation or new gadgets, whether you're a homeowner, you're a renter, or you're a small business owner. Solar is now affordable for almost everyone. It's like getting free power after a setup cost. Pretty sweet, right? Let's keep going. Another reason why solar is the way to go is because it saves our planet. It saves our planet. Solar is like a superhero for the earth. And the question is, who doesn't want the planet Earth to be saved? Everyone wants the planet to be saved and be in good shape. And let me tell you, one home solar system cuts down pollution as much as planting 150 trees every year. That's huge. And the rate of climate pollution from our generators is really making summer hotter and storms wider, causing global warming. Now, switching to solar means you are helping clean the air and cool the earth. Now, it's not just about you, it's about living a siren environment for your kids, your grandkids, or even your neighbor. And also, it feels good to be part of the green team fighting for healthier environment. The number three reason, top reason why solar is the way to go is the amazing new tech. And solar tech is getting cooler every day in 2025. Yeah, solar energy is advancing every day in 2025. Now, we've got some super thin film panels. These panels, they are so tiny and they are made in a way that they can fit in anywhere. They can fit in anywhere. Yeah, that is where advancement is taking us to. Now, we also have crazy efficient batteries like Tesla Powerwall to store some power for night time. Yeah, these batteries are designed to store power for nighttime usage. And we also have the less expensive version of these batteries that anyone can get at any time. Now, picture this, your house running on a clean energy, looking sleek and saving you cash. The tech is so advanced that it's like something gotten from, or what should I say, something gotten from a sci-fi movie. Yeah, but it is real. It is real and ready for you. It is real and ready for anyone. The fourth reason why solar is the way to go, I'm going to be sharing the fourth reason. And please don't forget to watch this video to the end because the last one is going to blow your mind. Yeah, the last one is gonna change everything. So the fourth reason why solar is the way to go in 2025 is that jobs are popping up. Now, solar is not just about power, it's creating tons of job opportunities for people all over the world, all over the world. Now, last year, countries like US, China, and India, they added enough solar panels to power millions of homes. Just imagine using solar panels to power millions of homes. Now, it requires a lot of what? Manpower. It requires a lot of labor. Now, that led to a boom in cool careers from building panels to installing them on roof or designing huge solar farms. Now, these activities requires manpower. They require people to carry people in the field, people in the career to carry out these procedures. Now, if you are looking for a job that's future proof, solar is where it's at. Think electricians, engineers, or even salespeople. Solar energy is a growing industry that is hiring like crazy all over the world. Solar energy is hiring. Solar energy industry, they are hiring like crazy. They are the most industry that is hiring people as it stands now. Yeah, and it's exciting to see so many people building a brighter future. Isn't that what getting hyped out? Yeah, I think that is what getting hyped out. The last but not the least reason why solar is the way to go is solar makes you to be your own power boss. Yes, it makes you to be your own power boss. Now, this is going to blow your mind. Now, here is the best part of solar. Solar gives you freedom with an off-grid solar setup. You don't need to rely on big electric companies like the EEDC and other electrical companies all over the world that keeps jacking up prices. And sometimes you discover that while having time with your family, while watching movie with your family or having a great time with your family, the light just jacks off. Now with solar energy, there's nothing like that. In 2025, government deals like tax credit make it cheaper than ever to start. Imagine no more giant bills, no outage, just you in control of your energy. Yes, you are the boss of your energy. You decide when the light goes up, you decide when the light comes up. You are the boss of your own energy. You are the boss of your own plant, your own energy plant. It's like telling the power company, I got this. Whether you are in the city or out in the country, solar lets you live life on your terms. Ready to make the switch? Now, solar is more than a trend. Yeah, solar is more than a trend. It's a game changer. From saving your wallet to saving the earth, it's the smartest choice for 2025. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Just take a first step towards a brighter, cleaner future. So, do you think solar could power your home soon? Drop that in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video. If this video have helped you in some ways, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.